Hello friends, on this video how you can fingerprint capture. Example, like you want to capture photo with fingerprint. Okay, so fingerprint camera capture photo, how you can use that. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, just tap on camera. Then when you tap on camera here, you are going to find this feature, and from this feature here's the setting. So friends, tap on setting. When you tap on setting, from this setting you are going to find here is the many options, but you want this fingerprint as shutter. Okay, example, like you want to tap fingerprint option, then your photo will be captured. Then here is the fingerprint as a shutter. Okay, just activate this icon, then from here you can use your fingerprint and your photo will be captured through the fingerprint or the power button. Okay friends, so this is how you can use your fingerprint as a shutter. If you use fingerprint, it will be useful. If you don't use fingerprint, then it will not work, I think so. Okay, and customize volume button as shutter. You can use this volume button also as your shutter. Okay, shutter or zoom. Okay friends, even the zoom also you can use this volume button, and it as the camera shutter also. Example, like you want to capture photo through this volume down button, then you can use through this icon. Okay, if you activate this icon. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.